Welcome to the Deluxe Makeup Studio, inspirations for color cosmetics. We are going to show you step by step how to create a classy glowing appearance with Deluxe. In this video, makeup artist Carsten from Germany shows you how to apply modern day makeup using professional makeup from Deluxe.
A smooth complexion is the basis for this look. Each step is shown in the foundation base video. First, I apply the eye and lip base very thinly to the eyelids and lips to ensure that the eyeshadow and lipstick lasts all day. For the eye makeup, I use the Artistic Quattro eyeshadow, color Secret Dawn No. 8. Using the LR by Da Vinci eyeshadow brush, I first apply the soft light grey color on the first third of the inner eyelid in the form of a triangle. I define the outer part of the inner eyelid with the dark purple color of the Secret Dawn color palette. I apply the rosé beige color to the eyelid crease and further define the lower eyelid below the lash line. The LR by Da Vinci blender is perfect for this. Then I use this blender to gently blend the color transitions from the outside to the inside. Lastly, I apply the bright sparkling apricot shade thinly below the eyebrow using the eyeshadow brush. This opens up the eyes and makes them shine. With the metallic eyeliner, color Satin Brown No. 6, I apply a thin line to the upper and lower lash line and blend it in using the integrated sponge for smooth transitions and a natural look. The eye makeup is completed by applying the Fantastic Mascara to the upper and lower lash line. For the modern day look, apply mascara discreetly. For the evening look, you can use it a bit more. Now I use the Perfect Brow Styler, color Bright Liquid No. 1, to emphasize the natural shape of the eyebrows. For the lip makeup, I choose the High Impact Lipstick, color Sensual Rosewood No. 4, a soft rosewood color. I apply it with the brush and draw the contour from the outside to the inside. This lipstick convinces by its long wear and wonderful color brilliance. For a fresh look, I apply the Perfect Powder Rouge, color Ruddy Rose No. 1 with the LR by Da Vinci Rouge brush as a finish. I take up both colors and apply them from the temple to the cheekbones. A classic day makeup is finished.
For an attractive and sophisticated start to the day, a modern casual look. The modern day look is a discreet and subtle day makeup that radiates freshness and naturalness. More inspirations and looks by internationally leading stylists in the Deluxe Makeup Studio can be found in the next video on the LR YouTube channel.